Hello everyone, welcome to the topic of the day. Today we will discuss about the Global Methane Pledge. Global Methane Pledge was recently in news. Over 90 countries have signed the Global Methane Pledge. As recently in the 26th Conference of Parties of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is the UNFCCC, which was held in Glasgow, United Kingdoms. Now, what is Global Methane Pledge? It was first announced in September as a pact between the United States and the European Union that sets a target of cutting at least 30% from the global methane emissions. If this pledge is adopted around the world, it would decrease the global heating by 0.2 degrees Celsius by 2040s, as the world is about 1.2 degrees Celsius hotter than in the pre-industrial times. As of now, India is the third largest source of methane emission and is not a signatory to the pledge. An independent international methane emission observatory was launched for the methane monitoring at the COP26. Now, what is methane? Methane is the second most abundant greenhouse gas in the atmosphere after carbon dioxide. In fact, methane gas is 80 to 85 times more potent than carbon dioxide in terms of global warming capacity. It is a colorless, odorless, and highly flammable gas. Now, the major sources of methane gas are generally 60% human or anthropogenic sources and around 40% natural sources. In anthropogenic sources, methane is released from landfills, oils and natural gas systems, agricultural activities, coal mining, etc. Natural sources include the release of methane from decaying of plant material and digestion of food by the cattle. The oil and gas sectors are among the largest contributors to the human sources. Since it has a shorter atmospheric lifetime compared to CO2, hence it absorbs more energy. Methane reacts in several hazardous ways. Therefore, it contributes to the global warming directly or indirectly by releasing carbon dioxide. It also contributes to the forming of ozone, decreasing air quality, and leading to health issues in animals, premature human deaths, and reduced crop yields. Now, some of the reasons for rise in methane emissions are: since it doesn't come under any protocol like the Paris Protocol, so no concrete efforts are taken with regard to the methane emission. There is also an increase in the anthropogenic activities like the construction or the mining works, which has resulted in the increased emission of the methane gas. Atmospheric methane has also seen an increase during the lockdown period. Methane has increased by at least 150% since the Industrial Revolution. Now, let us see some government initiatives to counter the methane emissions. The first one is the National Action Plan on Climate Change that was launched in 2008, which aims at creating awareness on the threat posed by climate change and how to counter it. Second is the India Greenhouse Gas Program, which is an industry-led voluntary framework to measure and manage the greenhouse gas emissions. It is led by WRI India, which is a non-profit organization, and TERI, the Energy and Resource Institute of India. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, has developed an anti-methanogenic feed supplement, which is called Harit Dhara, which can cut down the cattle methane emissions by 17 to 20% and can also result in higher milk production. India has shifted from the Bharat Stage 4 to Bharat Stage 6 emission norms. Now let us take up a practice question on the same topic. With reference to methane, consider the following statements. First, among greenhouse gases, it is the biggest contributor to the global warming. Second, it has a shorter span to break down in atmosphere when compared to carbon. Third, fossil fuels and waste are the only anthropogenic factors responsible for its production. Which of the following statements are correct? Write your answers in the comment section below and find the correct solution in the pinned comment. We will see you in the next video with a new topic. For regular updates, you can also follow us on our other social media handles. Thank you. Do stay tuned.